everyone, today I have got yet another jungle egg, and it's Nellian hatched, and I hope it's a dragon, because I'm not a, oh my god, not a parrot, because I really want to get a parrot on camera. Neon parrot is better than all your pets. That doesn't have a neon parrot. Ew, a unicorn, oh my god, that's just mean, oh my god. Okay, anyways, do you want something? Do you want something, jungle egg? Do you need anything? Do you need a shower? Are you thirsty? Are you hungry? I don't mind going back into the house even though it's just not okay. What do you need? You want to go to the pool party? Again. Okay, I'm gonna get back to you when I am at the pool party. So, yeah, I will see you then. Okay, so we're at the pool party right now. So excited to see what the pet is gonna be. I hope it's not another Black Panther. That'll be my fourth Black Panther. And I don't want another Black Panther. I mean, they are really cool, but still. Anyways, I just can't wait to see what it is. I hope it's a parrot. I have all my fingers and toes crossed. You can't see them, but they are crossed. And I'm hoping for a parrot. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes in 3, 2, and 1. I'm closing them. They're closed. Is it open yet? Wait, what? No, no. Oh my god, no way. What? No. Oh my god, I just got a parrot. Guys, are you kidding? Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Oh my god, I never expected this. Oh my god. Well, I guess the fingers and toes crossed work this time. Oh my god, I've got a parrot. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now. You don't know how happy I am. Oh my god. Like, what the heck? Don't worry, I'm not crying, it's just my throat, like, it hurts from going that high. But like, honestly though, oh my god, now everyone's sending me true requests. Oh my god, oh wow, this is so cool. I'm one of the cool kids now. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh my god, I can't believe I've got a parrot, guys. I've got a parrot. Oh my god. I've said oh my god sometimes. Count how many times I've said oh my god, because like, it's unreal. Anyways, the parrot that I've got is unreal. Like, oh my god, okay. I still can't believe I got this. Oh my god. I have no words. I have no words, guys. I have no words. I just can't believe I got it. I can't believe it. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now you really have to count how many times I've said oh my god. But like, seriously though? I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now. I can't even explain it. Like, I'm so lucky. I mean, I didn't get it on the first try, but has anyone? No, I don't think so. But like, it was kind of early, honestly. I've only got, wait, I only bought, so that was, the crocodile was my first one, then I got 3 Black Panthers, but gave 2 of them away. So, wait, I got that on my 5th try? I got this on my 5th try. Oh wow. Okay, I'm going to have to end the video right now, okay? I'm shook. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna end it right here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and did you really have to be in my outro? I'm really happy that I got the parrot, guys. But anyways, I'm gonna have to end it. I'm gonna have to end it here, so yeah. Bye, guys.